Welcome everyone, my name's Joe and I'm here today to tell you all you need to know about our updated Modulate Mix and Match magnetic fabric display system. This versatile system lets you choose from 14 different banner and backwall styles, shapes and sizes that allow you to create your own unique display. This reconfigurable system is perfect for corporate events as trade show exhibits and for placement in interior environments like retail stores, office spaces and corporate lobbies. The Modulate system couples lightweight aluminum tube frames with pillowcase fabric graphics to create a seamless look. New twist lock feet and push button connectors on the frame create an extremely fast setup with no tools required. This magnetic frame system uses high-powered internal magnets that make configuration easy by simply placing your desired frames side by side or next to one another. With a variety of frame sizes, you can incorporate storage areas, conference rooms and divider walls as you see fit. Changed your mind? No problem. Simply rearrange and you're set. Modulate's adaptable display system caters to your evolving needs. The superior twist lock feet, a feature unique to our display system, is compatible with each frame and allows for simple toolless assembly. Once assembled, the feet align either inward as stabilizing feet or outward to connect other frames in the configuration. If you'd like to learn more about our reconfigurable Modulate display system, visit us online or contact one of our sales reps today.